बहुत बढ़िया था भाई, मतलब वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस आई हैव एवर हैड। ओके, 4 साल में बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बने, इतनी मस्ती की हम लोगों ने कि तहलका मचा दिया था पूरे कॉलेज में।
Very good afternoon to all. Myself Shristi, and I have
Good
Satyam with
afternoon
me.
guys.
Today we have Ashutosh Jogi sir with us. He is working in Stride.ai and has been a formal research intern at IIT Bombay. So there's definitely a lot to learn from you. So let's not just waste time and grab guidance as much as possible. So
So, starting from our first question, sir, what's your point of views on the importance of skills apart from academics for your juniors?
I would like to add one point here that academic skills are as good as whatever skills you want to develop. But see, give important to the skills which are industrials and which are useful, right? And see, focus equally on both of them. But let's say that develop all the skills, explore everything, and try to practice and execute them, right? And try to maintain your academic score above 8 or 8.5 so that while in company placement you don't get filtered out in the first round, right? And other than that, please explore, since you are in first year, right? So there are a lot of new technologies which are present. So do one thing, Google it, YouTube pe videos dekho, and try to learn, find your domain and work hard. Okay, so go for the practicing of the skills. There are multiple domains available. For example, if you want to go for coding skill, then go for CodeShift, best platform available. Okay, and if you are from EC student, EC background, so there is a source called MATLAB. Install it in your computer and start working on that, because there are various projects related to EC which can be done on MATLAB. Also, you can work machine learning on MATLAB. Also, there are various tools available that will make your life very easy. See, there are multiple platforms which can help you to develop or learn the skills apart from your classroom knowledge, right? You can go on the Udemy platform, Coursera, or there is a free website, like if you want to learn Python, then free code camp, right? And not only Python, but on free code camp there are various other courses which is very good and you can learn it by yourself. So go there, learn, and invest time in such processes or skills. Follow some good mentors. Try interacting with few of your seniors who can guide you, and always search for a good internship. Once you have the base for that, try to build up a project on that, and based on that project, go out in go out on LinkedIn, or there are websites available such as AngelList, or Internshala also. So register yourself and flash means boast about your projects, how you have done, whatever knowledge you have gained through this, and try to get an internship. Internship is very important for you guys. Okay, so and managing the time for academics. So what I did, I was usually taking notes from the class or from some of the students, and we used to learn that prior to 1 or 2 days before the examination. That will help you get good academic score. So don't worry about academics.
Okay, sir. Now, third question is, how did you manage to get an internship, and what will you guide your juniors on how to approach for internship?
Yeah. So regarding internship, I would say that first of all, talk to your professors. See, although they are related to one specific field, but they have multiple connections, right? So they know exactly what you are looking for, or you can tell them that what you want, so they can help you guide to the other person. For example, in my case, I reached out to Ankit sir. He is professor in VNIT. Previously, he used to teach us electronics, means DSP. Okay, so I reached out to him, and according to him, there was one internship in IIT Bombay. So what he did, that he helped me to connect with the Dr. Vachani ma'am. So after that, we shared our interest, that what we want to work on, and she said that there is a domain that you can work on. So this is the one step, right? The other step is obviously go on online searches or ask for referrals. See, LinkedIn is a very good site. uh, go on LinkedIn, make your profile good one, and try connecting to the people who are there in the industry who can refer you, right? Learn from them and ask them that, first of all, you should be aware that what you want to do in your life, right? It's not like you are an electronic student and if you want to go for certain path, for example, if you want to go for image processing section, so you should be knowing that what all things are required in image processing and all, right? And according to that, you should send connection request to the people who are there in that industry and who can guide you, right? And from that, there you can get the internship opportunities. Also, there are a few portals which are available. I don't remember the names, but I will suggest you that afterwards. Now, you can enlist there and get the internships.
Okay, sir. Now, sir, the fourth question is, what will you say about your 4 years of journey in Triple IT Nagpur?
बहुत बढ़िया था भाई, मतलब one of the best experience I have ever had. Okay, all the people who were there, they are like our one big family. Okay, we all are connected to each other and it's like फैमिली मेंबर ही है हमारे सब. 4 साल में बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बने, इतनी मस्ती की हम लोगों ने कि तहलका मचा दिया था पूरे कॉलेज में. एंड ऑब्वियसली वहाँ पे जो इवेंट्स होते थे, तंत्र फिएस्टा हुआ और भी बाकी इवेंट्स रहते हैं, तो हम लोग उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते रहते थे. और फिर इट्स हेल्प अस टू ग्रूम आवर पर्सनालिटी. ओके, एंड tea parties were always best. Go to the chai tapri and see, tea tapri is a place where you can go and you can share your ideas. बस क्लास में बैठ के तो कुछ नहीं होता, लेकिन जब बाहर आते हो तो ideas come out, people talk, and when people start talking, no, the sharing of ideas become a very means a good process where you can learn from them or you can share whatever you have. And this sharing process helps us to develop as a person also. We can, what I can say कि sharing से ही मतलब we can say ना, sharing is a caring. So yeah, it helps us to grow. अभी क्लोजर मिला नहीं है, हम लोग का कॉन्वर्सेशन बाकी है.
Okay, sir. So, next question is, what, according to you, should be an ideal roadmap for first year students for the coming 4 years in the college?
First year should be a chill and relaxed one. Don't panic and see that what other persons are doing. अपने हिसाब से देखो कि तुम कहाँ पे खड़े हो and what you need to do, right? There are, as I told you, there are a lot of other things going on around the world. So find your passion where you want to work or find the technology which finds a suitable for you. First year में explore करो, do all the stuff necessary, means participate in exams, give exams, participate in some extracurricular activities. Also make sure that your academics does not get hampered by these activities. And do one thing, जो भी skill set है तो domain wise तुम लोग अपना skill set define कर लो कि ये domain में ये काम आता है. And then make sure that तुमको किस domain में जाना है. For example, if you want to go for AI and machine learning, then उसके related कौन से skill set है, तो learn this skill set, explore other domains too, and then do the projects. Projects are very, very important. Since you do the project, you will get to know that how the things are worked, right? And after you have completed the project, you have something to tell about, right? And after that, based on that project, get an internship. So this is the roadway of a map, what I can say you. And after doing internship, means in second year or third year, you will have the 2 experience in the same field, right? And when you come to the final year, company will see that this guy is a very experienced person in this field. So they will be like, oh, okay, whatever we need, this guy does have, and they will hire you. Okay, so this is what you have to do.
So, but like everyone says, na, ki, in coming years we have to focus on internship and jobs. Like, so
Right.
in first year, our preference should be on skills, right? More than academics, or equal weightage to both.
No, basically academics पे weightage देना चाहिए, but उतना भी ज़्यादा ये मत करो. Try developing your skills, right? Whenever you come out of the college, whatever you learned in the academy does not help you to get a job. But the skills which you have, that will help you to assure that at least you have a good salarized job. So make sure that you have skills, whatever industrial skills. मतलब skills होना अलग बात है, but if you have industry related skill, so that will be a very, very helpful.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, how did you get a job?
One more thing. Yeah. So one more thing I would like to add. If you want to hone your skill, try doing multiple projects. okay, that will surely help you to do. And don't copy paste the project, मतलब हाँ GitHub पे है तो यहाँ से copy किया और paste करके हमने दिखा दिया, ऐसा मत करो. Don't do that, means you are doing injustice to yourself. Okay, so try doing it from scratch by yourself, and don't do it in alone. Okay, try to add 2 or 3 people with same caliber so that you can sink in, and your ideas can come in together, and you can build a better product or better what I can say project, right? So group project is a must.
Okay. So next question is, how did you manage to get a job, and should you have suggestions for us? Any suggestions?
Yeah, start preparing for basically few companies will have first round as a mental ability, means screening round and all. So if you don't have that exposure till now, then start working on that skills, analytical skill, logical reasoning skills. So start preparing that. Also your focus should be on good communication skills. If you are from any background, a communication skill is a must. You should be able to speak English, Hindi, and whatever your mother tongue fluently. And the thing is that you should be able to convey the idea that you have to the other person. Okay, so if you are not unable to do that, then there is no need. Even if you are speaking in English and not able to convey the idea, then what's the use of speaking in English, right? So these are the few skills that you should work on. Also work on your interpersonal skill, right? Try to develop your personality in that whenever you are with a group of 4 or 5 people, they should like you. They should see that this person is very good. Okay, he has few good qualities, so this can be helpful to us, like this. And be gentle and kind to one another. एंड फॉर जॉब्स आई वुड से कंपनीज में कॉलेज में तो प्लेसमेंट्स आएंगे आएंगे, लेकिन अगर बाहर से अगर तुमको करना है तो सेम वे ट्राई गोइंग फॉर रेफरल्स. दिस इज अ मस्ट, मतलब अगर कोई देता है तुमको रेफरल्स तो ले लो कहीं से भी, या फिर एंजल लिस्ट पे जाओ. देयर आर मल्टीपल स्टार्टअप्स ओवर देयर, यू कैन रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ. एंड also find the domain. They are looking for internships. I mean, what kind of internship you want? 2 months internship, 6 months internship. Okay, so please be sure what you want to do. And same way you should be able to write a good message or a elevator pitch to the person who are going who you want to work with, right? What people do when you write the elevator pitch and send them, no, they read that thing, and if they find it good enough, they then look through your resume and make sure that you get hired by them. Yes.
Like, sir, when you started your journey of 4 years, then what was in your mind at that time? That was I was very curious to know.
See, initially when I started my 4 year journey, no, there were no seniors to guide us, right? So we were like, what to do? So I explored whatever domain I can do. I explored IoT domain, ML coding domain. Even I worked in MATLAB data, digital image processing. I worked in robotics also. I was intern in IIT Bombay as a system and control lab. So I explored all the domain, and after doing that, I found my piece in machine learning stuff. Okay, data mining and machine learning. So in my final year, what I started after my internship, within a span of 3 to 4 months, Python मुझे आता था, but I was not very sure or confident in Python. So I took a class from Free Code Camp and Udemy, something like that. ऐसे कोई website से मैंने class किया, and it helped me to gain my confidence. Also helped me to boon my coding skills. फिर CodeShip, I worked on CodeShip, HackerRank, and HackerR. All these platforms that helped me to hone my coding skills. And afterwards, I took a referral from one of my friends for Stride, and then they sent me assignment. So I worked on the assignment thoroughly, and then I got the job.
So overall this conversation, do you have any suggestions for us, like our ultimate goal and what should we like focus on?
Why not? See, there are a lot of opportunities here, right? Just make sure that you have the skill set required to grab the opportunity. Means there are people who are around me that they don't know anything about technologies and all. But if you have the skill set, grab the opportunity and work on it. Find your career path. Also, if you want to go for the higher studies like GATE, GRE, या फिर कुछ दूसरा भी करना हो, CAT भी करना हो, तो start step by step preparation for that, right? Means English vocabulary अच्छी कर लो, and yeah, do all the stuff that you want to do, but टेंशन मत लो, चिल रिलैक्स एटीट्यूड रखो एंड क्लास में ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं देने का, नोट्स बना लो, एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले पढ़ लो, पास हो जाओगे। उतना कोई टफ पेपर्स नहीं निकालते ये लोग, जेई एडवांस के पेपर तो बिल्कुल नहीं होते, तो टेंशन लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट you have a clear picture of your career or whatever you want to do, and make sure you get one or two mentors who can guide you through that way. Mentors are very important. I mean, they will talk you through the process and what to do, what not to do. I mean, they are the people who have come a long way, right? They have experience of 4 to 5 years from that field, so they know what's good for them. Also, you should be curious about whatever things you do. Always ask question why, where, कैसे क्या चल रहा है, and how I can do that stuff, right? Always be curious about anything, so this will help you to grow.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing I would like to add कि enjoy your college days. मतलब अभी जब whenever your college will start, no, enjoy the every second of it, because you don't know what future holds, right? कभी भी घर भेज देंगे तुमको कोविड के चक्कर में, हमको जैसे भेजा, तो जब भी जाओगे मेक श्योर दैट यू एंजॉय एवरी बिट। हाँ, तो हॉस्टल लाइफ भी पूरी एंजॉय करो, मस्त मस्ती करो, कोई टेंशन मत लो, एवरीथिंग विल गेट फाइन। ओके,
Thank you, sir. We will like to wrap up this conversation. We really want to ask more, but we have our time constraint. It was
Okay.
really nice talking with you. Thank you for giving your
same
time,
here.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome, bye. And if you need
Thank you.
anything, connect me on
Thank you, sir.
LinkedIn and Instagram.